Welcome back, everyone. Time to jump into a new section that is titled Design and Implement Name Resolution, which is going to be all about DNS. Now, in my personal opinion, DNS is not the most interesting networking topic out there on Azure. However, it is one of the most essential ones that, frankly, makes the modern internet possible, and there is quite a bit to cover from both an Azure knowledge perspective and exam preparation as well. We're going to start off with a high-level overview of how both public and private DNS works on Azure. From there, we will start with a closer look at public DNS on Azure, which is relatively straightforward compared to private DNS, in which we'll discuss how public DNS zones, which is a separate Azure service function, as well as go through a demonstration working with a live domain. Afterwards, we will go through a more detailed discussion on how private DNS works both in general and on Azure as well, which will have a couple lessons focusing on a number of different topics, including designing private DNS zones, and more detailed scenarios on how to integrate a variety of networking scenarios with private DNS on Azure, from which we will go through a demonstration of implementing a private Azure DNS zone. Quite a bit of ground to cover on DNS. Let's go ahead and move on to the next lesson.